We are hitting record. Record is on. So you start how you think you should start.
Okay. Good morning. Good evening. My name is Suhei Jimenez.
I'm Sophia.
I'm Gina.
And our project is over the
Mathematics
of a curveball. Okay. So the whole curveball started in the 1600s, and it was discovered by Newton. And it was when he was working with all the laws of motion, and he discovered that a tennis ball would curve if there's more wind hitting one side more other than the other side. And so the wind would put pressure on the left side and kick it to the right side, which would make the ball move in a curve motion.
And there's also the Magnus effect, which is the principle behind the curveball that started with Newton. In 1852, the German physicists studied forces after Newton's work.
So perceptions is a big role. Curveball moves 14.4 from the perspective of a pitcher in a picture.
Right, so the Magnus effect is pretty much the theory that when you throw a curveball, the wind will hit one side more than the other side. And it's just explaining how the reasons why a curveball will curve, which has to do with the weather, the wind, how fast the wind is going, and saying the slower you hit the curveball, the slower you hit it, the more it will curve, because it would have more wind hitting it, and it would curve a bit more. Also, okay, part of the things that scientists are studying is how they're relating it to airplanes. When a plane is flying, the wind will hit the top of the wing more than the bottom, which will help with the wings flying and the curving and switching directions and everything, which has to do with how a curveball will be in the wind and how the wind will hit the curveball on one side more than the other side. And that's all we have right now.